In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks to team members in Asana. Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign tasks to team members in Asana so everyone knows what they need to work on. Clear ownership is what keeps projects moving, and Asana makes this really straightforward once you know where to look. First, open Asana on your desktop and head into your workspace. Your workspace is the shared area where your team collaborates, so make sure you're in the correct one for the project you're managing. If your organization uses multiple spaces, double-check you're in the right environment before proceeding. This helps ensure you're seeing the correct projects and people. Next, open the project that contains the task you want to assign. Projects in Asana organize related tasks around a goal or initiative, so finding the right project keeps everything in context. Once you're in the project, locate the specific task you want to assign. Click the task, and it will open in a panel on the right side of your screen. This task panel is where all the details live: the description, due dates, attachments, comments, and most importantly for today, the assignee. In the task panel, look for the assignee field. You'll see it next to a small person icon near the top. This is where you designate who is responsible for getting the work done. Click directly on that assignee field. A drop-down will appear with a list of people in your workspace, along with a search bar. Start typing the team member's name or scroll and select it from the drop-down list. Using the search is usually faster, especially in larger teams. When you see the correct person, press enter or click their name to confirm. That's it. The assignment is set. You don't need to save anything else here. Asana handles that automatically. Once assigned, the task will appear in that person's My Tasks view, and they'll receive notifications according to their settings. This helps them prioritize and keeps them in the loop without extra messages. If you don't see someone in the drop-down, they may not be part of the workspace or the project yet. In that case, confirm they're part of your team's environment so they can be assigned properly. It's also a good idea to use consistent display names to avoid confusion when multiple people share similar names. Assigning tasks is a small step, but it has a big impact on accountability and clarity. It ensures everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for and when they need to take action. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.